this is Romey from Romey's Life, and I haven't been getting out here to do any videos. Let me take this off because too much. I haven't been out here to do any videos in a while. I kind of fell out of the love for YouTube before the pandemic and before all of this that we have going on. So now I've been watching it again and kind of like prioritizing what I really, with what we have going on right now around the world. And I feel like what we got going on right now, it really deserves for us to spend more time with the people that we love. So I feel like I'm going to retake YouTube again. I still gonna do budget videos, but I feel like when you do budget videos, you also should show others what is, to live in a budget overall, not just put it on paper. You know what I mean? So I went to Sam's Club and I had a few items, more than a few items. These items should last me for 3 weeks because we are eating all meals at home. So eating all meals at home, you kind of spend more money and stuff. And I'm doing this on my room because my kids are up there. They are home from school. It's a lot going on. So as you know, most of the schools are closed for the remainder of the school year. So of course the babies are here. And I'm trying to respect their time when they are in games or they are talking or whatever, because they are very uneasy. So I feel like it's the best thing for them to be up there. And without further ado, let's get us started with the video because I've been talking a lot. So I have these toilet one thingies from Clorox. These are from my master bathroom. I don't have a window in my bathrooms, and I feel like bathrooms that don't have window, they tend to kind of like keep the smell, like nasty smell inside. So what I decide to do, I decide to buy one of these to kind of clean the toilet. It has 36 refills and it comes with the wand as well. So I'm going to use this and see how that works. This one was $13.98. I have English cucumbers. We make these and we put some tahini on it, or we put some lemon and salt, and we eat them as a snack. They are very delicious. I love them. I have some bananas. I'm planning to make some banana bread, so I'm going to be waiting for these bananas to get really ripe that I can use them for banana bread. I love these chicken fajitas thingies. You can actually put it on your fajitas, so you can make quesadillas with it. So it comes two pack, and Lord, I don't remember the price of this, but I believe it was like $6-7. I have to find my receipt. Let me receipt here. Okay, so the bananas, let's see. I'm trying to give everybody the price because the bananas were $1.24 and the chicken was $7.98. So we're on track with that. Had this little gogger. These are fruit. This is not. This is actually fruit and this squishy thingy. They have applesauce, which I normally get for the boys, but even though my oldest is 15, he loved these little things. So I had the apple mango guava and apple pineapple passion fruit. So it's 2 flavors and it's 10 on each flavor. So this one right here is on my snacks. I want to give you the price, guys. This one was $9.68 for this box of 20. This was on sale, which is hickory smoky breast ham, and this is to make sandwiches and stuff. This one was on sale, and it was on sale for $5.98. I normally make sandwiches and I freeze them and put it in the freezer or whatever, and then they just get it out, toasted or whatever. So that's a good idea. I have tortillas. These are a package of 20, and the package of 20 for these tortillas are $2.58 for the tortillas. And all of this is from Sam's Club. I didn't go anywhere else. I have my avocados. These are ready to eat. So for the avocados, that was actually Oops, $5.53. So I have lemons. The lemons was $3.98. I make some infused water with these, and also I clean my meat with these. Some people choose not to clean the meat. They say the CDC said not to. Romey said you have to. So I will do it in my household, and I clean the meat. And this is $3.98. We get also pineapples, and I don't remember how much was this pineapple, to be honest. I don't know if it was over here. Pineapples. The pineapple was $6.98, but look at this. We also eat this with tahini, and it's very, very good. We got the blackberries. The blackberries were $3.28. I got 1 case of these, and I have blueberries. This one was $3.68. Excuse me, and I have mangoes. The mango slices, we put this in the pan. With the blueberry, I made lemonade, blueberry lemonade, and I just let the flavors to infuse the water. Oh, delicious. You don't need no sugar for this. My mango slices, they were a little pricey this time. They were $5.98 for the mango slices. But this, I already got like a little bitty one in here, so I just put tahini on it and eat this as a snack. But be aware, this is a lot of fiber, so you might have to visit the restroom with this. So I have the pasta here. I have the Barilla pasta. So I got the pasta, and it's 6 boxes altogether, and it's 2 boxes of penne, 2 boxes of spaghetti, and 2 boxes of elbows. Let me tell you about this. This was $6.98, but the reason why I got these boxes is because with the elbows, it's this salad that they make back in the islands. We used to love them. Some people will put tuna on it. Some people just eat it like that with vegetables. So I can make that with that, or I can make some white cheese, macaroni and cheese. I got a spaghetti. I ordered from Amazon some clam sauce, so I can make some clam sauce or spaghetti with that. I got penne. I can use some of the chicken I have over there. Saute it, put it on the pan, pow, you have a meal. So, and I like to cook ahead of time. So this will be kind of like a quick meal to work with. I have some eggs because I'll be making banana bread, so I need some eggs. This was $6.98. Put it right here. I have some tomatoes. The tomatoes are, I normally get this type of tomatoes, and I make it in salads. I have some lettuce, so I can use it in my salads. And I can use this in salads and stuff. So I wash them real good. I put it in a container, put it in the refrigerator. The Blue Diamond almonds, these are good, like to snack on or whatever. I don't really eat them. That's for them. But I do eat these ones right here. Whew. I hope I don't fall. Boy, these chocolate covered ones. Okay, let me kind of go back, because I didn't say the price of the tomatoes. The tomatoes, they were $5.98. The almonds were $9.98. This right here was $12.98. These are very good. I like these. I used to like the Blue Diamond ones, but I didn't see it in Sam's Club, so I don't know if they still carry those or not. So yeah, right here, they're very good. The tuna, let me see, because tuna was $9 and some change. It comes, how many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 12. Oh wow, I didn't think there was that many in here. Look at that. It's a 12 package thing of tuna, and I can make tuna salad with these. I can make the elbow macaroni salad, and I also make tuna salad, and I cut up lettuce and onions and tomatoes and olives. Sometimes if I have black olives, and I mix it all together, and then I put the tuna on top. Delicious. Delicious. So we have right here ranch seasoning. The reason why I have this ranch seasoning is because I used to make these potatoes with ranch. Yum. And you take a whole potato, or you can cut it up, whatever you want to do. You roast it in the oven and you put this on top. You don't need nothing else. It tastes delicious, and you can eat that with a steak on the side or whatever your preference is. Chicken breast. I saw this garlic pepper was very inexpensive, and it comes in a big thing. So I would like to try it and see how it works. So yeah, and that's it for that. And right here, oh, wait a minute. This one was $6.98. This one was $4.98. And I hope I'm not missing anything. I got what is this? A string cheese. It comes a package of 28, and these ones right here are, I believe they're $8.48. I wanted to make sure because, and with the prices on this, the price change according to your location, so keep that in mind. This is the tilapia. The tilapia fillets, they were $13.48. I have a chicken breast. You can make, sorry, this is not chicken. Help you. This is turkey breast. You can make these, like put it in the oven and roast it. You can put it in the grill, but you have to be very careful because turkey meat is already dry as it is, so you have to make sure that you keep moisturizing this, that way you don't get dry when you cook it. So whatever recipe you use, always make sure that you, I like to use butter, sour cream, or mayonnaise to make sure that I can keep this moist. So, you do whatever. Even if it's in the grill, you can have it in the grill for a long period of time because it will get dry and hard. So, yeah, this is a turkey bag, turkey breast oven roasted. This one was $16, not 60, $16.68. I got 6 fully cooked chicken breast. Okay, so I'm just kind of trying to show you right here. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. So this was $6 and some change. So it might be like $1 some for this. This you can put it over your salads. You can put this, like I made some lentils with rice, so I can put that on top of that. I'm about to make some pickled onions and put it in the refrigerator. And you make that and you eat that and you put this on top, but you just can't eat it like the chicken breast along with some avocado and some onions and fine, you good to go. Chihuahua 6 cheese, $9.98. This is for my quesadillas. And you can use some other stuff. It's not only for quesadillas, to be honest. I just use some other stuff. I have put it on pasta before. And it's also according to your taste. This is a little bit more smoky to me, but it's okay. I got a bag of salmon. I don't eat salmon. I'm allergic to it, but my kids do eat salmon. They like it. I can do this in portions to eat for salads, or I can use it for tacos. So yeah, and this one was $24.98, and this is a 2.5 pack. I got bacon. I have 3 things of bacon, $7 and some change. I feel like we can make BLTs or for breakfast in the morning if I get up early enough before, because I'm still working, but I'm working from home. So if I get up early enough, I can make these for the boys, and they can have, like, we can literally in one sitting can go through a whole thing of bacon, like in one time. So like for breakfast only. So I just chose to get a 3-pack one. Where's it at? Oh, I have a whole case of LaCroix. This is a separate, the LaCroix is $7.88. And this thing right here is, it's a summer flavor. They got what is it? Summer flavor, limoncello, passion fruit, and hibiscus. I think that's how you say that. And that's only $7 and some change. And I have some Honest juice. Honest juice is normally it's about $10. It's $9 and some change, but it's 40 in the pack that comes with. So if you think about it, you're paying about 51-52 cents per juice for 40 juices, and for one little box when you can pay $1 or more if you go out and try to buy just one little pack of juice if you're in Starbucks or whatever. So yeah, I feel like going to Sam's Club can be a little pricier when you go to the register, but when you think about how much you get and how many meals you get, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. So these will last about, like I say, 3 or 4 weeks, and we have plenty of meats, and granted we have to get some processed meat, but we'll be all right. So I hope you guys like this video and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I apologize for the setting, but you know, we're just trying to live through the time. As long as you budget your money, you should be all right. I mean, no, I'm not gonna say that you should not be all right. I mean, we're just trying to get it together right now. And at this time, you know, I budget this for my kids' groceries. So once we do another grocery, once we go back to the grocery store, I will do another haul that you guys can actually see what I get, and hopefully I can do that one in the kitchen and spread everything out and show you guys better. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and please share with others, and remember, sharing is caring. Goodbye.